years I was certain I hated it, then I tried it, now I love it. It's a classic trifle. The first thing we're going to do is make our own jelly, that's right. 700 grams of frozen berries. Add them to a pan and 200 grams of castor sugar. And with a litre of water, give it a few minutes until your sugar is dissolved, and then take out 6 tablespoons of juice and 6 tablespoons of fruit. Now keep that fruit cooking for a further 5 minutes. With a masher, give all of your berries a good crush to release all the juice, and then you're going to pop it through a sieve to get rid of the seeds and skin. Add in 9 sheets of softened gelatin and stir until they're dissolved, and the juice of 1 orange, and then set your jelly aside. Then we're going to make our custard. 75 grams of custard powder, 2 tablespoons of golden castor sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, vanilla bean paste, 1.2 litres of milk, on the hob and cooked into a nice thick custard. Now let's get assembling. I've got bog standard shot Madeira cake. Cube it up and whack that in the bottom. Add 5 tablespoons of sweet sherry to that reserved fruit juice, and chuck that all over your Madeira cake, along with your fruit. Next up, we're going to pour on that thickened custard. Set it aside and let it form a skin. Once your jelly mix has started to cool and thicken too, you can pour that on top of your custard. Pour it in the fridge to set, and then we're going to whip up 450 ml of double cream with a big dollop of vanilla bean paste and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Pop that onto your set jelly, and then finish with some little biscuits. How delightful! Not only am I a dessert person, I'm a dessert wine person, and a sauterne is the perfect way to end a divine meal.